When I came back to the house, there was some roof damage. The skirting underneath the home was missing. It was a lot of water and debris.
You kind of get nervous when they say a hurricane in the mountains.
Of all the storms and heavy rains that we've had over the many years that we've lived here, we've never had any real major concerns.
The winds, you could hear the shingles, and you look outside and they're all over.
When it comes to cutting and trying to get people out, you're focused on trying to get to that point where you can move people. And having a Verizon box, using the booster was able to give us a little more information that we needed to help us get to that point.
Communities after a disaster often get a lot of help right away. That community need continues long after a lot of organizations have left. Verizon is committed to staying for the long haul. Verizon is all about community, it's all about connecting people, it's all about moving communities forward. We're working with households and communities that have been displaced from hurricanes that were 5 years ago, 7 years ago, that are still not in a safe home. We work with community partners who are rebuilding roofs, rebuilding walls, and making sure homes are flood-proof and more resilient.
We really look at all the phases of the disaster cycle, which includes proper preparedness in those blue sky times, of course responding when there is an event, but then once the event has come and gone, that long-term recovery, because communities take years to recover.
We want to not just go in and fix what was broken, but we want to try to make it so it doesn't break as quickly the next time.
The fact that Verizon cares, it's just amazing. When someone shows up in your yard to say, hey, we're here to help you, they're beside themselves with joy.
We had no idea that we would ever get to come back. We had tried to get it in our minds that we will never be able to come back.
Every day that I come home, I see that they've done a little bit more and feel blessed.
The storm clouds have gone, but there is still much work to be done so that people can feel a sense of wholeness and feel like they have regained their lives back.
Happy times. I'll walk in at first by myself, then I'll call my sons, and I already know what they're gonna say. This does not look like the same house that we grew up in.
Everybody deserves a safe space to live and rest and lay their head.